we'll take you on a tour through the history of Guisborough, focusing on the Priory. Guisborough Priory is a ruined Augustinian priory in Guisborough, in the borough of Redcar and Cleveland, North Yorkshire in England. Guisborough was well established at the time of the priory's founding. The town's name refers to the fortified place of a Scandinavian called Giga, who may have taken over a site established as far back as the Romans. It was certainly mentioned as Gigasburg in the Domesday Book of 1086. The current parish church of St. Nicholas predates the priory, with its origins stretching back into antiquity. The original and first Augustinian priory was founded in 1119 as the Priory of St. Mary. It became one of the richest monastic foundations in England, with grants from the crown and other nobles. In this era, churches were brightly painted inside, a feast for the eyes, unlike the churches we see today. Henry III granted the rights to hold a Monday market at Guisborough and the right to hold an annual 3-day fair to mark the Feast of the Assumption. On the 16th of May 1289, the priory suffered a catastrophic fire. Workmen were soldering a lead metal roof when the roof timbers caught fire. The priory was rebuilt in the Gothic style on a grander scale over the following century. Its remains are regarded as among the finest surviving examples of early Gothic architecture in England. Rebuilding probably took around a century to complete. In isolation, the priory would have been a sight to behold. The priory was formally dissolved, then handed over to the King's men on 22nd December 1540, making it one of the last monastic houses in England to be suppressed. Demolition was carried out in 1541 by collapsing its central tower into the body of the church, crushing it in its fall and reducing it to rubble. We hope you have enjoyed this presentation. If so, please like or let us know in the comments.